What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome to ChriSamz property tour, and today guys we are at Whim estate in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, and we're here just to give you guys a quick update on what is happening with this development. Earlier on this year we would have posted that Block C was going out for sale, and guess what, as expected, Block C is currently sold out. Alright, so if you miss your chance to get A, B or C, no need to worry. In due time there will be a wait list set up online for the persons that want to buy into this development for Block D. So guys, I give you the information as I get them, and I try my best to keep them timely as well. I cannot come here every week, maybe not every month, but as soon as I get updates, I provide you with them. So guys, we're going to fly around this development so that you guys can see how it is progressing, and you know the usual routine where persons have already moved in, we won't be flying over those units. Alright, so the little piece that you will get to see is what is remaining or what is currently being done. So jumping right into this drone shot, but just before that, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe, remember to share, and as always, continue to leave your comment and let us know what you want to see. Let us know how you feel about these developments, and we know the thoughts for Whim estate already with the big yard space and thing, but nevertheless, leave it in the comment section down below, and guess what, other persons will benefit from it as well. So we're going to jump right into this drone shot, and I'll catch you guys on the other side of this video. Alright, so the sun is hot, the video is nice, the quality is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember, if you have not yet made it to Whim Estate, a waitlist will be coming soon for you to sign up for Block D. So you don't want to miss that opportunity. As soon as that information is out, I will let you guys know. So if you want a property here at Whim Estate, at least you can be ahead of the line. So don't miss the opportunities when they come. Don't miss the updates when they come. And if you know somebody else that want a Whim unit, share this video. Alright? Continue to like, remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and let us know how you feel. So hope you guys enjoy this drone video. Hope you guys enjoy the view of this development. Hope you guys enjoy the contents from ChriSamz Properties, and we'll catch you guys in another video. So bless upon yourself and take care as always, and it's peace out from ChriSamz.